Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV 4500E series. I want to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. Scroll down from the menu and go to Tools. Select OK to Tools. Then scroll down to Restore Default Settings. Select OK to restore default settings. It will ask you, are you sure to restore default setting? Then you select OK to Yes. Please wait. Restore to default. Then you go back to the home page. What that means is the printer is now restored. Give you option for you to reconnect the printer to a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. So this is how to restore printer to default setting. Thank you very much indeed.